Hey everyone, Michael here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video I want to do a quick breakdown of today's analysis and what I'll be looking for and the zones I'll be looking for as well. So as you can see, I took a sell trade over here off this resistance this morning in Asian session, but I do feel that it will come down to break yesterday's low before we head back up. So you can see we already broke through this support, but at any time, this support can reject and go back up. So if I see this rejection come down over here and it's respecting this area, then there could be a potential upside. I am bullish on gold. So if I do see a rejection on the way up, then I'll look for my entry then. But this area between 91.9 to 91.37 is where I am looking for a rejection area going up. If we have enough volume, then we may see this support breaking all the way down to 83.3 to 82.6 area. And then once it rejects here, then this will be a safe buy area for me. And then we do have to wait for news to come out later as well. But if there's a good entry pre-Linden to Linden and volume kicks in, then I'll take my entry as well. So most likely we'll see something like this. If it rejects, we'll come back up and then go all the way here and then upwards. Or if it breaks down this support area, we might just see it break, retest, come down, and then up. So it really depends on what price action gives us, and then we just have to wait for price to play out before we enter and have our confirmation before we actually place our entry. So overall, I am bullish on gold because of the macroeconomics going on with the war right now. So we just have to see what price gives us later on before we take our entry.